Number 87 Victor, fly heading 060, runway 8 at Alpha, clear for takeoff.
Heading 060, takeoff runway 8, Skyhawk 898 and Victor.
Number 79.
Pensacola Tower Whiskey.
Rotate. Louisiana traffic, Skyhawk 898 and Victor will orbit in front of final Louisiana traffic.
Louisiana Regional 122 November Golf, going around for 35, Louisiana Regional.
Louisiana traffic, 898 on Victor, turning final to runway 35, Louisiana traffic. Louisiana traffic, Skyhawk 898 on Victor, final runway 35 for full stop, Louisiana traffic.
Hey guys, I'm in Louisiana Regional, but the fuel pump is broken. So the idea is now I'm going to another airfield which is east, the reserve, and we'll fill up there. Not plane, heading up to Mississippi.
No sense, really. The wind shows 9 knots 100, and the people here just go for runway 35. Instead of flying against the wind, that's so silly. Even by landing, the wind was showing runway 17 was the better angle, but they just didn't listen to the wind, I think so. They're too used to just using this pattern. Port South Louisiana, Skyhawk 898 and Victor at intersection Alpha 1, lining up and wait in sequence on runway 35, outbound to north. Port South Louisiana, Skyhawk 898 and Victor, taking off runway 35, outbound north. Port South Louisiana traffic. New Orleans approach, Skyhawk 898 and Victor, just departed at Port South Louisiana. Request following flight to Uniform Bravo Sierra at 5,500 feet.
November 8-87, Victor, New Orleans approach, New Orleans altimeter 3000, say again your destination and type aircraft.
3000, type aircraft Cessna 172, and destination is Uniform Bravo Sierra.
Roger, I have your request, stand by 1.
Stand by, 8 and Victor.
November 87 Victor, squawk 2511, say altitude.
Squawk 2511, altitude at 1,800, climbing up to 5,500, 8 and Victor.
Roger.
Say